Hi everyone, my name is Ana Voicu and welcome to my course Create and Monitor Data Pipelines for a Stream Processing Solution. I am a data engineer and my goal is to share with you some useful information about working with stream processing pipelines in Azure. This course will refresh your knowledge on some important topics and will also help you prepare for the data engineering exam from Microsoft. What do real-time data processing solutions have in common? They work with huge amounts of data which needs to be captured, processed and transformed into insights in real time. These solutions are complex, but they don't need to be complicated. Azure gives you all the resources you need to create and monitor such an application. You'll learn in this course what are the components of a stream processing solution and also what tools are offered by Azure for each component. You'll understand what are some major differences between these tools and what questions to ask before deciding which one to use. Almost as important as creating a data pipeline is being able to monitor it. You want to make sure your solution is optimized and performing well. You will understand what are some important metrics to monitor when creating a streaming pipeline in Azure Stream Analytics. You will also learn how to optimize your solution. Because this is a course that prepares you for an exam, you will get the chance to test your knowledge and solve exercises on all the topics discussed. By the end of this course, you will have a better understanding of what it means to create and monitor real-time data processing solutions in Azure. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about using Azure to capture and process real-time data with the Create and Monitor Data Pipelines for a Stream Processing Solution course at Pluralsight.